Here we have a stack class implemented with a linked list as the backing store. Now I'm using the .NET Framework's linked list class in order to remove any of the overhead associated with list maintenance and to not create a dependency on a previous module. Now the class begins by allocating the list. This is the list that will contain all of the items in the stack. Push, as we've discussed before, simply adds the item being pushed to the front of the list. Pop checks to make sure the list is not empty, and if it is, it throws an exception, but if it isn't, it retrieves the value from the first node in the list, it removes that node from the list, and then it returns the retrieved value. Peek is similar to pop in that it throws an exception if the list is empty, but it differs in that it doesn't remove the item from the list, it just returns the first value. The rest of the implementation is very straightforward. Count returns the number of items in the list. Clear simply clears the list. And the enumerator functions simply return the list's enumerator. So as you can see, using a linked list as the backing store for a stack is incredibly simple. It's just a few lines of code beyond what the linked list took to write.